Our project is called Simrishamn Regional Algae Farm and is a master plan for the development of algae in the Australian region.
If you unfold the map provided, you will realize that there are a few components making up the master plan. On the left-hand side, you'll see the topographic regions describing in detail the characteristics of the landscape, and below the algal biodiversity of the region. The main component in the middle is instead what we call the co-action plan, featuring the multiple activities that are being introduced in the landscape and creating the new prototypes, which instead are featured on the bottom. On the right-hand side, we have the new actors and agents advertising their activities,
as well as some visualization of this possible future prototype of algae farming, like the one reusing the dismissed crane of the port. Another component of our exhibition of the project is the hanging garden.
Let's enter the garden. The first process that we can encounter is the photosynthesis. By blowing CO2 in the photobioreactor, you will release oxygen as well as stimulating the production of new, more oxygen bubble inside of the photobioreactors. A second process is the direct interaction or cultivation of the garden. When you touch the tubes to blow CO2, the garden will register your presence and blink you back with the LEDs, as well as will record your interaction and store it in its memory for the future.
Another way of interacting with the garden is observing the aesthetic quality of this hanging garden of algae. We have in fact here like 7 types of different algae that are showcasing different type of colors, from red to blue to green, as well as different type of consistency depending if they are microalgae or filamentous macroalgae. We can observe also the microecology inside of the bag through the small lenses which is provided, which will allow us to better see the bubble, the algae, and the little shrimps living inside of the ecology.